Okay, I'm here in the Firefox browser for a reason. And I was looking around and I saw this kind of crop up in the feeds again. And it was a theme that reminded me of the old Chrome, which I really appreciate. And it's a Firefox theme, no less. So that's why we're in the Firefox. Geckium is a Mozilla Firefox CSS and JS modification that restores the look and feel of past Chromium or Google Chrome releases, spanning from 1.0 to 58, while also bringing Chromium theme support to Firefox, bringing obscure pre-release content to the limelight and retrofitting new content into every design. Let's see, coming from Silverfox. Compatibility, Geckium is designed for the following: Linux, Windows 7, Mac OS. Compatibility with Firefox forks is never guaranteed. Minor adjustments will be made by Geckium to accommodate itself in Firefox forks. To begin, download the Geckium from release pages. To improve your Geckium experience, you should also install TamperMonkey. And using TamperMonkey, installed the official Geckium user script for enhanced functionality. Let me double check. Okay. Let's go to install, add to Firefox. Add it. Okay. Okay, now we've got that. We can go, so open Firefox, and in the address bar, go to About Support. Look for the Profile folder. Let's see. Okay, so what we're going to do, go to the release pages. Going to go to Assets, download that one. Let's see. Let's go About, Support. We're looking for the Profile folder. Okay, so we can look for Zilla, Firefox. We're looking for the FD2 one. Okay, next thing we want to do Chrome folder and the CR themes folder from the profile folder in Geckium. So let's open up another one, find our Geckium. So I've got Chrome and CR themes to work with. I'm just copying that over then, it looks like. Okay. To the profile folder. Yeah. Let's make that a wee bit wider. Okay, we've got our CR themes and our CR Chrome. So now we navigate to wait, Back in the Firefox window, scroll to the top and press clear startup cache, followed by confirming the confirmation that then displays you're now running Geckium. You'll see blah, blah, blah. User lib Firefox. So that Firefox folder goes into, I see. Let me open up actually no. We will open up here ls user lib, not licks, lib Firefox. Okay, so I need to then we will copy defaults. You know, just in case, to user lib Firefox. Oh, wait. And then we've copied those over, like it said. Then we clear startup cache, restart. And Firefox crashes on us a couple times. So we say, welcome to Geckium. Which one do we want? Sheesh. Not sure which one I like better. We'll go with the Chrome 5. Next. Let's see. Behavior, hide account information, branding, Geckium. Chromium branding. Graphite title bar buttons, no. Zoom with full screen, tab manager. Fallback title bar and toolbar. Force all Chromium themes to use blah blah blah. Website pinning in every era. Disable download shelf. Switch designer, manage overrides, pages, web store. New tab page design. Nah. Let's see. Theme. Geckium U. Oh, do 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 do. Do 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 do. Avatar source, ba-ba-da. Huh, okay. Next. Finish. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like that. It's not perfect, but it is pretty nifty. So we can go back over here. Oh my goodness. Let's open a new tab. Oh, look at that. It's the old Chromium. I missed that. What? Okay, I can get past it. Windows, Mac OS, credits. Yeah, wow. So we can go in, let's open a new tab. Let's say chrome.google.com/extensions. Themes. Material, simple dark, deep dark. Let's go to that one. Add to Chrome. No. Anyway, that's pretty nifty. Geckium. So we can always go and edit the settings if we want to. Open this in a new tab next time. People. So let's go Classico. Geckium U color source. So yeah, you've got a lot of options in here with Geckium, it looks like. No, thank you. I'm happy. I remember using Chrome and Chromium back like when it looked like this, and I kind of miss it. But anyway, that's just me being weird. Anyway, what does... what? This is ridiculous. Let's go back to this. And let's install that. Allows you to download CRX files directly from Chrome Web Store and Microsoft Edge add-ons websites. Oh, so then we should be able to go here, right? And go into themes and go, hey, I want into the black hole and add it to Chrome. Continue. Oh, that is horrible. That is really horrible. But anyway, I like it. Yeah. Holy cow. That's Geckium. Shoot. If you liked the content, if you enjoyed it, if you think I deserve it, like, comment, subscribe, leave any criticisms you have or what have you. I appreciate it. Feed that algorithm, like I said, and I will see you guys in the next one.